when it comes down to the Capital One credit card, if you guys had a credit card with them in the past and you messed up with it, they would definitely give you another credit card. But it's just best that you pay off your account first, and then they'll go ahead and consider if they want to give you another credit card. If you do not have your old account paid off that you messed up with them, then they're most likely not going to give you another credit card. I have seen sometimes that the account is charged off, and then they sell it, and then they're able to give you another credit card. But if they're still holding a balance for you, then a lot of times they're not going to give you another credit card. If you guys get to the point where you're realizing that you want to get a certain credit card, understand that there's other companies out there. I have personally burnt a few companies I know will never give me a credit card again. Maybe in the future, I don't know, but there's other credit cards out there. There's other options out there where you guys can get other credit cards. Just start building up your credit with other companies, and just don't. A lot of times people are getting credit card and they can't pay it back. So don't just go credit card happy and get all these different credit cards. Try to target credit cards that you really, really want, and try to look at other companies. If for some reason you're trying to get in with a company and they're not letting you back in, there's other credit cards out there. So don't think too hard. Find other credit cards that's similar to that credit card if they offer certain things, and then see if you can get that one, or try to aim towards getting that one if that company won't let you back in. It is not the end of the world.